8017 Panpipe. The garage door looks pretty nice from here. It looks like maybe one or two small dents, but it looked pretty clean. No wood that needs to be maintained on it. The walls inside the house look like they're painted a grayish tan, really close to the color we normally do. There's tons of dents in this door, so we need to see if we can patch it and paint it. We need 3 blinds in here. We have a nice new modern light fixture there as well. That one looks fine. This is new. Really nice appliances. It is laminate. So I'm not sure about this dining area. It's very small and directly in front of the slider. So the room at the front of the house I would think would be living, and this would be dining, which means you would need the tile to go all the way through. Then you'd want to carry it through to the bathroom and the laundry area, I would think. So we'll see what the property manager says. I can't get that open, but if you can see, we have a fairly private backyard. We already have rocks, a little bit of trees that will need to be maintained, and then we have a small concrete area, which is great, so it's usable space. So we have a bedroom down. There's no light kit or fan or anything. We have closet door guides, which is great. It's a bit of a small room. That's the only downside, but it is a bedroom down. Need a blind here as well. Looks like there's a little bit of rust on the light fixture. We have tile in the laundry. You might want to have a junking budget just in case. It's probably always a good idea to have a small one, but you could see the old light fixtures that were left behind. Carpet looks great. Whoa, it's a very large room. Want to remove those cables, get really wide blinds on those. Looks like laminate or vinyl, I'm not sure, in here. The toilet seat looks crooked. We need a blind. Counters look good. 2 blinds here. Cabinets look fine. It's so dark. Get a blind in here. There's closet door guides, which is good. Not tile, but it looks new. So maybe when the tiles are placed downstairs, you don't want to carry it through to these wet areas upstairs. Closet door guides. Okay, that's it. This is an older light. I wonder why they didn't change that one. That's the only one, I think.